A quick update to the video that I posted earlier today. I put some of the labelling on incorrectly, so this is a very short video for those who need to know what the white socket on the circuit board goes to, as I had a couple of cables come off whilst removing the body. In my case I had the headlight left and the headlight centre disappeared, just snapped off. Here is the onboard socket. This sits on the main circuit board within the loco, and it's grouped in a pair and a group of three, and none of them make any logical sense to where they're meant to go, but on screen previously you just saw where they did go. Here's a little graphical diagram that I've created just to hopefully help a few of those people who need the information. So this is the images here just to help clarify the kind of electrical diagram I did earlier. After soldering, I tested the lights, and as you can see they work in reverse and in the forward direction, and the cab light. So hopefully you can use this video for a reference in future if anybody needs the wiring from the socket on the